This video will show you how to join a Google Meet. First, join the course that you are going to do the Google Meet with. At the top of your page, you will see an icon for Google Meet. Click that. And then this will be the folder for your class. The video that I am doing right now will be posted there, and then this will be the information you need to join your class meeting. It will tell you what your hour is. It will tell you the time that you are meeting and what days you are meeting. This will be the link that will take you to Google Meet's website, and this is the nickname or the code that you will use to enter the meeting. So click here to join Google Meet. And the first thing I want you to do when you get to this Google Meet page is I want you to make sure that your picture is over here. And if you click on it, just double check that that's your school email address so that we know that it's you. Yours looks a little different. It will just say join because you cannot start a meeting. So you will join this and you will type in that nickname. You will use this same nickname every day for that particular class. If you get to this page and I haven't started the call yet, it'll say that you can't join. Just give me a minute and I will be there. Make sure that your microphone is muted before you join the call, and then you can unmute it when you need to speak. It's up to you if you want your camera on or off. You're welcome to turn it off. I like to see your face, but it's okay if you want it off sometimes too. So then you will join and your teacher will be there, and then any other students that are in the meeting will also be there. And then you can control the microphone and the camera down here. That's it.